Hi guys, Ms. Trudowski here. I miss you all and I hope you enjoyed your spring break. I'm excited to be trying something new by making videos for you for distance learning. But please be patient with me as I try my best to make these videos, and also feel free to leave comments or suggestions to help me improve. Okay, so kind of how I intend this distance learning to work is I'm going to make these videos and I'll have sort of a little to-do list for you to do, and then I'll give you a couple days to finish that. But I think this could work out well. So when we start off, every day you'll have to fill out an attendance form on Schoology, and then kind of depends what that'll be, but just look for the day and then fill out the attendance. Then I'm going to have example videos of each lesson. Today will be on 9.1. I'll have a few videos for you to watch. And then at the end of that, I'm going to have you fill out an exit ticket form that you'll find on Schoology that just kind of reflects and then also gives you a chance to give me feedback. Then we're going to do homework 1 using the Kami extension on your Chromebook, and you'll submit it using Schoology and Kami. And I think you guys are familiar with the Kami extension, so I'm hoping that is okay. If not, just give me feedback again in the form. So we're on Unit 9. The last Friday that we had class, we actually went over Lesson 9.1 as a class, and you guys already filled out notes and hopefully did the homework. Since this is day 1 of distance learning, I figured might as well let's just start over. Let's start fresh and let's do 9.1 reflections together. And then we'll practice doing homework 1 using the Kami extension. Okay, so Unit 9 is all about transformations. So this first video, I'm just going to do the vocabulary part, and then the other videos will be example problems. So I have my notes filled out. The topic again is reflections. This is the first learning target. Today is the 30th. And we are in geometry. Okay, so our first definition is a transformation, and that's actually the title of our whole unit. What it is, it's an operation that maps an original figure called the pre-image onto a new figure called the image. What a transformation is it can change the size, position, and orientation of a figure. So if we actually go back up to our list up here, these are all considered transformations. Reflections, translations, rotations, we can talk about symmetry, and then also dilations. So it's just kind of like changing it. Okay, so now let's talk about specifically a reflection. A reflection is a flip over a line called the line of reflection. So if you look at this picture right here, this is our line of reflection. Here's our original pre-image, and we are reflecting it over here, and this is the new image. The notations, we call this A prime, B prime, and C prime. That's like the new image that we created. What it is, it says each point and its image are the same distance from the line of reflection. So take a look at point C. Do you see how if we were to draw a perpendicular line to point C prime, they would be equidistant away. They'd be the same distance away from that line of reflection. Same thing with B. If I were to make a perpendicular line right through there, they would be equidistance away. Same thing with A prime and A. We're going to be looking at a coordinate grid, so some possible lines of reflections that we'll do examples of. We'll reflect it over the x-axis or the y-axis. We'll also do some vertical or horizontal lines in the form of x equals any number you could think of, or y equals any number that you could think of. And then we'll also have some diagonal lines. So if you see y equals x, that's going to be a diagonal going up, and then the y equals negative x will be a diagonal going the other direction. Okay, so that's the vocabulary. In the next video we'll share will be examples. Stay tuned.